The last 24 hours, state and federal charges came down for more than 450 people. They're accused of taking part in healthcare fraud schemes. Tonight, we are narrowing our focus to the 7 suspects with Minnesota connections.
Lou Ragus is here with their background, the charges, what comes next in this fraud enforcement action. Lou.
Rena and Kevin, details in these most recent charges include reimbursements for services for a dead man, reimbursements while the provider was out of the country, and one woman accused of impersonating real mental health counselors to get taxpayer money. Two brothers, 41-year-old Shaki El Said and 26-year-old Ahmed Agua, worked as personal care assistants, or PCAs, for 2 separate agencies in Golden Valley and Fridley, and now are accused of stealing a combined $277,000 of taxpayer money. PCAs help elderly or disabled people with daily tasks like bathing, dressing, meals, and errands, then bill Medicaid for reimbursements. But the brothers are accused of using the names of people who never got those services. According to the criminal complaints, El Said billed 3,814 hours while he was out of the country, in another 2,400 hours while the recipient was out of the country. Agua is accused of the same thing and more. Besides billing for thousands of hours when either he or the recipient was out of the country, he billed for 98 hours after that person died. Up in Fargo-Moorhead, 55-year-old Christine Pryor is accused of posing as a mental health provider, even impersonating 3 real counselors, getting hired at real agencies, and seeing real clients. According to the criminal complaint, Pryor claimed her name was Christine Martinick and Christine Weisner. Those are 2 reputable licensed providers in Minnesota who told KARE 11 they had no idea Pryor saw 169 patients pretending to be them. They both expressed concern for the patients for any potential harm Pryor might have done. As for the charges, they say Pryor received $108,000 in Medicaid funds while committing identity theft, and she's already been convicted of that in North Dakota. None of the suspects who've been charged returned my calls today. A spokesperson for the Attorney General's office said that the 7 people charged stole a total of more than $700,000, and the timing of these charges coincided with National Healthcare Fraud Takedown Day. Guys?
Now, Lou, these all were employees. Are any of the employers in trouble?
Well, so far, no. And in some cases, such as the lady that was hired up at Fargo-Moorhead, it seems she's accused of completely using forged documents to fool them into thinking she was someone different. As for some of the PCA workers, they were lower level workers at the PCA place, which is still operational. So, so far, those people are not facing any trouble.
And she was taking care of patients and seeing patients or clients. Unreal.
Not just that, 150 additional ones in North Dakota, I just learned, besides the 169
goodness.
here in Minnesota.
Yeah. Thank you, Lou.